These are catch basins for, one, the gutter drainage, and two, for your gardening, which assist in the water draining from inside the garden as to not flood the hillside and your walkway. But on this house, the basins were actually covered. This one, not so bad. This one, I've already started to uncover just as I started with the other one. And then inside, they become plugged with debris. We walk over here. This one I've already dismantled. That gets its water from the gutter. That's where it drains. So it's a two-stage system. One takes the water from the gutter system, drops it down the downspout, crosses underneath the patio, and drains into the drainage system that was designed to capture water coming down this incline and then feed its way along here to this drain, which captures water from here, which crosses over to this one, which catches water from the hilltop, which then leads to this one that was completely buried, still is, and then leads out to the sewer. So what I'm trying to say on this video is, if you have these catch basins installed, they must remain uncovered and kept clean. Now I'm going to show you what happens when they're not maintained properly and what you're going to find inside. Let's take our screwdriver, and we have to dig this one out a little bit. Okay, and we're going to open it. And as you can see, there's debris inside. They have to be kept debris free because water needs to flow from in here and actually be caught in the basin and drop in there. Basically what's happening is all this debris is clogging up the drain. As you can see now inside, the water is moving freely through it as I'm flushing the system. The reason why I'm here is because the customer was actually having problems with water drainage from the gutters because the catch basins were backed up, plugged, and the water had nowhere to flow but come out onto the opposite side of the patio. The water was rushing out here, overflowing, washing the mulch away. This is Pompano Services, 2018. Please like and share this video.